Alright guys, so the Yd100 split jug finally died. It had some massive freaking miles on it. It was amazing. But I got a brand new one. It's changed out. Each transfer, I cut a 1/4-inch groove up all the way to the top. You gotta do that so you don't get ring bulge. And then, the main one I left as is. It's a windowed piston. Got a G2 reed in here. It's just got the fiberglass pedals, clone MZ65 pipe, blah blah blah. So we got a PZ20 carb. I got just a regular 4-wheeler type filter on it, which I think works best for all the dirt and crap here. So yeah, the other thing too, I did change the bearings out and seals in the case, as the crank is all balanced already for the windowed piston. What else? Well, anyway, so everything runs really good all the way up until I blow the damn seal. Every freaking time. Engine side reed seal keeps blowing out right here at this point. There's kind of like a round deviation. And it seems to blow right there over and over again. So, I'm gonna try some of that exhaust gasket material in here this time. As you can see, one's thicker and the other one's the stock seals that come with it. So we're gonna see if that holds up or if it blows again. But I mean, the plug looks beautiful. I mean, everything is running as it should. I mean, everything functions. It's not dirty. It's not too much fuel. I thought it might be getting flooded. I thought I might have a venting error. I tried the vented cap. No difference. But when that seal blows, it blows all the way back up in through the fuel line out the top of the tank. Every freaking time. It's like the reed can't hold back. I guess the only other thing I could think of doing is carbon fiber pedals, something stiffer. Maybe the reeds can't handle it. Not sure. Anyways, we're gonna try it again and see what happens. So, it's not running rich or anything. The plug looks great. The plug's firing. Same jetting as before. The only thing that's different is the air filter. Different air filter. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I mean, with all that said, it runs great. And then all of a sudden, wide open throttle, it sputters. It just will not, it's like, it almost seems like it's hydrolocked, like there's too much fuel, so I can't figure this one out. I've put in smaller jets and everything, and still the same scenario in the end. So we're going to take this for a ride in a minute, and I'll show you what's going on. I just blew the seal again. As you can see, the gas came back up and everything.